My top 3 tips for staying on your wedding budget is first, sit down with your parents, sit down with each other, talk to everyone who's contributing to the wedding, and understand what everyone's expectations are and what the desired guest count is. The guest count is the number one driving factor of how much your wedding is going to end up costing. So you really want to be on the same page with everyone who's paying for the wedding on what that number is going to be. My second advice on staying on budget with your wedding is to hire a planner, because a planner will not only help you avoid very expensive mistakes, but also present to you the best vendors available within your price range. And my third tip for staying on budget is, whether you're talking to a venue or a vendor, always request an event agreement and contract to see everything that's included and if there's any additional fees. So then that way you know what you're getting, what you're not getting, and that there's no surprises later down the road.